If you get up and sweep, look there, you know how long me I donate map to you? You know, you think of today, me hear some people say, God have a way of humbling people. All who really stupid, just through them go underneath my video, but God have a way of humbling people. Let me tell you something, ladies and gentlemen. Them have a say for say God call fool, but him not keep them. You say, uno run the show pity party, uno show pure pity party. Let me just say this to all of uno careless dirty girl out there. We see them lifestyle here and say people wicked. People not wicked. I always tell you this. Be careful, oh God. Attention. It no matter if you're in a wheelchair. You never say you can't say why XYZ. Be careful, oh God, seek your attention. You see, sometimes we stand up in the way when God try to change people for the better. We believe it's a bad thing God do unto them. You can imagine the internet year in, year out, and all you can show behind the scene because of the lies that we are telling behind the scene. You know? Jesus Savior, the lies that we are telling behind the scene. It's the manipulation behind the scene. It's the deception behind the scene. That's why I be telling you, say, uno the same one. You go down on the knee and say, God, change my son. Change my little boy. Change him, God. He might go the wrong way, God. Me can't take it no more. Me can't take it, Jesus. Me give up. You take control. And when God put him in a handcuff, you on a station. Officer gave him this same because all I forgot name out on a mother. I own around there. On a mother. I own around there. I tell you this day in, day out. When say me bad mind, me not have no heart, me a wicked, me a this, me a that. When you dey behind the scene and manipulate people, when you come on with things when you call stress, and not drain hard-working people pocket and energy. These are the stuff happen to you. When to lie. And even in a garbage, you still tell lies. And this happen to you. Lies. And this happen to you. And this reach you know. But people are still gonna show pity. Oh my God. Time for you to get up and wash. Time for you to get up and wash. It's time. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Jesus have mercy. Not even madman live so. And no, but you see, the support that you're getting is taking the attention of what is really necessary, which is that there, the state of the place, it's not hygienic. But you want justice for the exposure of your body. You and your body on the floor dirty. Dirty. Real dirty. People are show pity when they should have tell you the truth. Girl, before you can get up. Get up. Get up. Get up, Pam. You are a big girl. Get up. People have, you see, you come on the internet and you manipulate the situation in order to gain coins. And it's so funny that many parents sit down, many mothers sit down on the app and support this type of living. And the only thing they can say, Shebada chat bad and Shebada tear up and Shebada tear down. But when you look at the security, there is... I'm tired for frog walk. Tired for frog walk, my love. Nothing nasty, germs, the cranny Martin. We want being, you want two good roll on with center powder. What do you nasty Martin? You wear gel as the sun take you so your armor drip like Rosealee back. Yeah, running and not come up like you're a portion and nothing dirty, Martin. One beard need some Martin, remember saying how far you there, you know? And your heel back and your slippers. I wanna say bye-bye, bye-bye. I wanna say weird. Remember, your heel back and your slippers that speak from a distance like Vanessa Williams. And you come by me nasty, Martin. Where you carry my name go over the people in life, Where you carry my name go over the people in life, Martin? You know how long me I wait for you so till the live all a glitch. Me have to hang up and come back and say me nah miss this. You carry people name to me, you carry my name to people. Martin, make up your mind, who for side of the pan? Who for side of the pan, Martin? Pick your team now. Only the you come at about one, Martin. And you in my inbox where you give me a message. You in my inbox where you give me news. I eat your wing flat like pancake. Are you my name not with syrup? You only be. You with them atrocious. I taste bad food. And you're jumping about one, Martin. How are you? You with them flat like fat people shoes. For sure, me that ask you. I tell you something. And this me disrespect you. You know, Lati, you know answer me the chicken them pay for? About 2 dozen chicken. Chicken them pay for Lati? Me just one of the chicken them pay for. Nikki B said 1 Rosealee. Me never said 2. But if you really look on that and say 1 or 2, you're wicked. You have to say protest. Miranda Coke years ago. Then the money that's still operational. You never know, so the money, one thing though, country people always give what you deserve. I come in for them. Lati, I will follow you wherever you may go. I will, Lati, me I come for chicken them. I want the chicken them. Christmas I come. I want the chicken them, Lati. Me I come for them. I say I stretch this morning and yes, I hurt. Money can't tell me if I'm a mammary glands. I don't know if I'm a mammary glands, you know, but you can't tell me if I'm a mammary glands, yeah, so. Come stretch this morning and yes, so really I hurt me. You know, say me I go up in a age. No man, me I go up in a age. Age I take me by surprise. I wonder if I back wait to follow me, now look behind me. I'm not looking. Yeah. I'm not telling no lie, for sure. I don't know about Nikki, I look attention. I don't look at Nikki, I don't look at Nikki because I don't want to tell Nikki some cute things out of my mouth. And Nikki knows, so I tell her some nice things. Meet fashion her. She know that. I don't look at Nikki because help Rosealee. Rosealee for work and advertise chemical. And this is our image there. Chemical, they put Rosealee and bleach buckle, acid buckle. You know, all sort of tobacco will come with strong chemical. They put it up on altar. Yeah, Baba Green. I'm not saying that I can't sit down on the internet and tell like, you know, the lady for advertise chemical. Yeah, she for work on backside. I'm not ask her now. Toilet bowl cleaner, then for take off Mr. Cleaner, but Rosealee. Yeah, for sure. It's terrible, you see? Let me just say this. A lot of persons hear my speech and because me come off so frank and ghetto. You understand me? Oh my God, this should not be said in public. Excuse me? What should not be said in public? After we're not telling a lie? After we're not walk and tell lie from people, what should not be said in public? When they come and tell you, say the lady need to go argue with a broom and a mop. The child come and say, oh, people nasty and a nasty girl, them, then a dirty girl, them, then girl and a girl, and this and that. This I'm at all of the girls saying, this now I'm at nobody, because I don't know who want to live so today. Not even gunman and wanted man to live so. The last set of people that me know live in the hills and them. I don't know nobody else lives, so I'm sure no. So when them did open the hill and cut off the cow, me not ask no question, them did live clean. Because them did a wash, cook and clean. I don't know they on the hillside for clean, but we know about the wash and cook, but we just have put clean in it since the tree of them walk. Yeah, we not ask no. And as You see, as females, and let me just address some of you guys as females now, because we like to have an opinion about other person's opinion. So let me just address most of you females. Let me just say this. A lot of you I come and talk about oh me this and me that. I just use me, but you know me not care about you. Me don't want to use nobody else. Me just use me. Oh me this and me that and me blah blah and me rave. Let me ask you know, is that healthy for a female? Is that how a female is supposed to live? Especially a female who claims to say she has a relationship. Is that any way for a female to live? Because let me tell you something. When I like to use gender as an escape patch, let me tell you this. You see, if you can't tell you females say, get up and this not look good for a woman, what motivation is in this? But you spend your entire life. You can imagine how dirt all you down so till you not even feel worthwhile. You feel worthless. Is this how a female feel live? So make me not go to the police then yet now. Let us not go to the police. Because it's bad enough. When you know you're helping the person not get up. It's bad enough. It's really bad. But you see, God has a way of saving some of us who are in ignorance, who don't know. God has a way of saving us. I mean, always tell you this, who don't look for the message in the wind. What harm has Rosealee done to anybody on the internet? Let's just say nothing. Let's just say she's a beautiful girl who is trying, a beautiful mother who is trying. Let's say all she should come every day and she beg, and nothing is wrong with that because she not steal. You understand me? And from you're not stealing and you're begging your honest bread and you're getting, so what? Let's just say nothing. She has done nothing wrong, Zola. So let's just say this is a nice individual, a very nice individual, and every single day Shebada get up and text it on the poor child, and all the child is doing is just doing this and doing that in order to survive. She's not stepping on anybody's toes, she's not doing anything. Let's all say that. Let's all say that. So I will support her. I must support her. She's a beautiful mother, a beautiful lady. Thank you, Zola. A beautiful girlfriend. And she's a trying individual. Yes, that's her. Let's say that. Why when time somebody wicked her to such degree, we say everything behind the scene was a lie. It's a lie. Thank you very much, Zola. It's a lie. You can imagine. We sat here and we watch you get numerous people. We watch you collect money. Where is Miss Triple? Where is Miss Triple in all of this? Because we don't like take accountability and we don't like take ownership. Thank you, Zola. We don't like take ownership. You come the other day, you say you want $1,000 to cook some food, give my people, give the homeless people. Me not know who. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Sparkle, thank you. Zola, thanks. Me not know who. Me say, you see, this is the thing where me can't understand with females on the app. Say, as so much I wanna care this, and then on a speech is more decent than on a liberty. On a speech, I live higher than on a liberty. This is not cute. Let us address this first. So nobody never ever address that. Okay, and then she come now. Okay, to my house, to me in my dirty house. You think it's right? No, you're moving too fast. If you identify that your house is dirty, why you spend so much time begging on the app and not cleaning? You could have buy 2 sheets with all of the money them since you don't want to wash. You could have buy 2 sheets. Zola, thank you very much, my baby. Royalty, thanks. Yeah? You could have buy 2 sheets. You could buy 2 sheets. Nobody now address these factors. You know? Everybody a jump. I bet if I did somebody else, no, it's not anybody else behaving on the app like she. No one else behaving on the app like she. She beg morning till morning. What you do with that? What you do with that money for you to be living like that? What you doing with such money? When I sit up on my life and I say, let me say this to you guys. It doesn't matter how much pity we show with our finance. Some of us will never get it. How hard you work for it. We're going to just sit down, and because we're not used to cash, how you can give a man who never born with such understanding? How can you give him the test and say, run it, my youth? Him have the experience. A whole heap of we come from the ghetto and we never born with dollar. We don't know how to spend dollar. A lot of us, as we get it, we party it. Me, as I'm a testimony. I am a testimony. Remember, in a whole heap of we, I got the mercy throne, I got in and say, Father God, here what more you do. More you be my accountant. Teach me, Lord, how to spend. And enough of we are going to do it. Remember saying, if she see somebody at number one, she begs with them because she's not at number one. But yet still in her begs with the dirt in your house. And the cable and wireless underneath your bed. You walk and address police. We know how it go. Me sleep naked. At that time of day, you need to get up. You need to get up. You see the police them come. From the police them come. If you know you're not guilty, if you know you're not wrong, once the police them come, here where you do. Run go put on your clothes. Draw on your blouse. I walk one officer. Yeah, I'm a baby father. Where you saying that? No, officer, I'm a bad man, I'm a madman. But because you and Jakes fought the night before, out in the middle of the main road, and you're not coming on the internet and telling the people in the truth, you are a mischief maker. You and your baby father fought the night before, big excitement. He might tear off your blouse and say, yeah, and him tear off your blouse, your breast them last in the blackout. You know, come and tell people that. You know, come and tell people say it's not good with you and Jakes at home in the dirt. You don't do stuff like that. Don't Poochie, don't ask me if I can do before me tell you go suck out your big old mother. Before me tell you say go ring out your mother batty juice in your brother glass and give him for drink. Come man, transfer in a family now, come out. Come. Wanna face the truth. Wanna suck old girl. Wanna try to normalize dirt. Wanna want nobody chat to know. But yet still nobody know to talk the truth about you know. You don't want nobody talk the truth about you. Me don't know how Jakes well dressed and you have man. How Jakes well dressed and you naked. That me want know. Where Jakes have come from, him could sleep at the yard. That me want know. All of these questions now answer. Be careful where you dig up. Be careful what you dig up. Where Jakes have come from. What kind of news or story in the community about your man. Be careful where you dig up. Sometimes you don't want justice and it don't play upon you now. It don't. She did act. She must act. Once the house not clean, it bring eat. Everybody on the internet that support you, they must support you to your demise. You never know that? Get justice, Rosealee. Alright, get justice, Rosealee. The reason why you run on your man and what? Where your man run from? Where him run with? Who him stand up with? Who him a par with? All I know we don't reach the exposure part yet in the dirt. All I know we don't reach the exposure part yet in the dirt. All I know we don't reach them part there. That's why I say sometimes you have to be careful or you take certain situation if in this. And even if they don't have a case, what about if them tell them squad if you come dig up you? If you come dig up your man on to Jakes. Jakes can't beat the law. Wanna not have the funds, wanna not cartel, so wanna have a sedan. Me just ask, wanna have a sedan or see them? Me just ask, you know. Exactly. Sometimes you're in the right, you know, and you have to just give up your right and make nature take its course. You know, sometimes you have to just hold your right when you say if this go out, them could have penalized my man, you know. You understand me? Remember when an idiot in a ghetto? Remember any charge can slap on, you know? Remember any charge can, remember when you can rat in a system? Remember when you can rat in a system, you know? Always remember that. Follow the internet that don't have your back. Then you think nobody on this care, they only care about the excitement. No for who are back, you're glad to see behind you. You know how long you want your phone drop? You know how long you want your phone drop? You are run with the beat because you're handicapped. You never know. You are run with the beat. Nobody not tell you the truth because you don't understand the truth. Nobody is telling you the truth. You come on, you accuse every single soul because you don't want to take accountability. You accuse every single soul. Nobody listen to your argument. You accuse every single soul. Everybody you accuse. People show a lot of pity on you. But when you send man for be Derrick, you see how powerful you want proof to the net. And sure Roger said if you're this, you get dismissed. You see how powerful you were on the internet when you send boy go beat Derrick? You see how funny life be? And now you want everybody pity you. The police them is so wrong. Who call the cops on you when you send man go beat Derrick? Who did? Nobody now look on the fact say your house at and you pay man for walk with you go Rosealee party, you add a cabana and you don't have a bed. But now like the strongest thing you have in your house is the bed foot. The bed foot faithful. Hey, me I tell the little girl, you have to work on mind that bed foot, they loyal. I need a relationship like that bed foot, they only you know. It only you. God no, it only you. It held you. Nah, ask nobody no question. No girl can tell me about the relationship until it firm like Rosealee bedfoot. Not until it firm like when Rosealee bedfoot live. Not even Jakes can live up Rosealee. I that this taste spoil. No man this spoil. But me I drink it. You know me admire is how she sit down on the bed with confidence, knowing that the foot them slim. Why? The black could have never do that. The black could have never do that. Mahogany. Now ask you want a relationship like the bedfoot, like with the bedfoot. You see any boy come in my life, I come in my life like Rosealee bedfoot. Very firm, very strong. Me not ask them nowadays bed you not catch. Them nowadays bed you not catching. Them nowadays bed you hip hopping. They not catching, they just hip hopping. Yeah? That's just the truth. That's just the truth. Let me tell you something. Only as females can sit down outside and say, oh my God, my gender is undergoing chaos. Your gender is supposed to undergo chaos. Some of the girl too nasty. You see when a man nasty, bad on nobody. You know? Yeah, bad and no bad. If my phone drop now, I say, dog, they understand old people phrase. Remember me at 98. It bad and no bad. But you see when a girl nasty, always remember when a girl nasty, are you the community I got talk about? Nobody never talk about the boy when I like washing clothes. I don't think boy that man, but he would still get crutches. He would, no matter what, nobody tell you, not make me tell you. He would still get crutches. Because sometimes madman turn around and ask me, can't do the excitement, you know. Sometimes I'm not going too much. Can't do talk to you. All they want to do is wash off. Can't make the reason we don't know. It's true. She'd have sit down on live and she'd have beg everything else apart from ADA, the fab soap for ghetto people. She'd have sit down on live and beg everything else. She'd have go out, I want some for Derrick. I want some for Derrick. Clean your place. Clean up your house. Clean your house. You sit down and like, them girls in the have nothing in their life. I want to argue with me. Want to argue with me? Them girls in the have nothing in their life. Yeah. Them girls are broke. Them girls in the live no way. Them take it from me. Them girls in the live no way. Oh, them girls in no life. True. One yeah. Them girls can't live no way. Oh. Them girls have the experience. I want to argue with me. Them girls they are foreigner homeless. And me they are Jamaican catch. Get up. Give up. Don't need no shelter. You're not living up. Them girls don't have no throat back and you don't have no bedded. Then come here now. Jesus have mercy. Sometimes I'm not listening. All the videos circulate. Nobody never talks say the children is in the living room. What a way as my boss said to Rosealee, I have to do the speech and the children them bed in the living room. I mean know from heaven to earth I drop out our mouth publicly. I mean know from heaven to earth that fell out our mouth. When you listen to the tone and the delivery, you know say it fell out by mistake. And the Chishaka should have said the children room and posted the internet because that could have been the side part of the house. We don't know which part on the collect letter. That could have been the side part of the house. Yeah. So you could have lived on the side. So you could have been 2 bedroom with the kitchen inside. Okay, no. Can't bother with the live die kitchen. Cannot be worried with the live die kitchen. Yeah. I can't be worried. And one thing I know, when you're wicked and bad, when you can spread propaganda about people. Rosealee, remember say 2 minutes ago you come on the app and tell the people them about my have AIDS. And yeah, you're sure, you know. I'm not in a lie, all along me I tell them say pick up paper, lying on the ground. Them never believe me. You see how life funny? You see how life is very funny? And everybody come and run up their mouth about Shebada you this and Shebada you that. It's 2 minutes ago. You come publicly. Don't you trouble Zion. Me tell you Rosealee. Don't you trouble Zion. That's why when I tell you say I send back everything to the sender. People I say X, Y, and Z. I tell you every day when I say I send it back to the sender and I say actually make it talk to me now. And I send it back to X, Y, and Z. Don't worry. I tell you, you never remember. No, Zola, nobody no remember. Top Chef, what one good as? No, Zola, nobody no remember. Nobody don't remember. Remember, you come on the internet and say anytime me fly up, me go buy one vigorous and we don't even know what she say. There's something name. Some vigorosity. We don't know what she say name. You understand me? You did. You did. And then people now must sit on yourself and say, oh God, Shebada, you're insensitive. The child found it fitting to cast a curse on me. And I rebuke the curse. I send back the curse to the sender and its generation. So I don't know what you want to try to tell me, say. What you really try to say? And oh my God, you're insensitive. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I am not. But when you try to curse people for the truth, this is what happened. She should be grateful. That is only her partner, sure. She should be grateful. God is still in the healing business. She should be grateful. Morning. She should. Auntie Daphne, she should be grateful. I tell her every day. I tell her every day when I take that for plating and then walk and highlight other people and use the gospel in order to beat them down. That is why the scripture says, he without sin cast the first stone. That's why I don't walk out and go like me not have no sin. Because right here now the only thing I not do in life I must obey and witchcraft and them something there. And murder and so, you know, me not so high class like that. But let me tell you something about me not tell you a lie. You name it. You get what me I say? That's why I can see through people flaws and say no, she can change. She can do better. What we don't say, God say. But no. You don't want to sit down and play, and Rosealee play victim, and you play a pity party, you advocate for Rosealee. And her nastiness, she is nasty. She is way too nasty. The fact of the matter is she is just as how she look. And the filter ain't working now.